Hello everyone, I'm Fel Jartilos from Noveleta Senior High School and I'm here to present to you my paper entitled Analysis of Students' Ability in Solving Linear Equation Work Problem Using Clinical Interview Basis from Mathematics Enhancement Program. We all know that problem solving is very important in the 21st century. Unfortunately, assessment that gauge students' ability to solve problems like PISA, TIMSS, National Achievement Test have a very discouraging results. By these facts, it is now time for math educators to reconsider understanding students' experience in solving word problems. This paper determines the students' performance in solving linear equation word problems. This paper is connected to Newman's error analysis and the theory of constructivism and clinical interview by Piaget 1976. This paper answered the following questions. What is the level of students' performance in solving linear equation word problems? Is there significant difference in the performance of students in solving linear equation word problems considering their age, sex, parents' educational attainment, parents' occupation, and parents' estimated monthly income? Number 3, what are the difficulties encountered by the following students in solving linear equation word problems? High, average, and low performing students. Number 4, what are the common errors committed by the following students in solving linear equation word problems? High, average, and low performing students. Number 5, what are the strategies used by the following students in solving linear equation word problems? High, average, and low performing students. And number 6, based on the results, what mathematics enhancement program can be developed to address the condition of the students in solving linear equation word problems? In methodology, this paper utilized sequential explanatory mix design and simple random sampling was used in choosing 6 public schools from DepEd Cavite, and stratified random sampling was used in choosing 222 graded students. And then later on, 6 students randomly selected to undergo clinical interview, and 6 grade 8 mathematics teachers were chosen by their school heads to participate in the research. For the instruments, this paper used test questionnaire, interview schedule for students and teachers. The test questionnaire serves to categorize students' performance by their scores. And for the data analysis, this paper used descriptive statistics, Mann-Whitney U-test, Kruskal-Wallis H-test, and thematic analysis. Let's go for the results and discussions. For the number 1 question, it shows that students' performance in solving linear equation word problems is low because they have only overall mean, which is 31.685. For the number 2 question, considering their age, sex, parents' educational attainment, parents' occupation, and parents' estimated monthly income, it shows that all from age down to parents' estimated monthly income resulted to a significant result, which means that their performance is affected by these variables. For the number 3 question, it resulted that the common difficulties encountered by both students are understanding and analyzing the problem and conceptualizing. For the number 4, the common errors committed by students are misinterpretation, even the high-performing students. For the number 5, the strategies used by both students is experimentation. And it shows here that low-performing students have a very limited skills to solve problems. And that's why for the number 6, based on the results, Matuto Mathematics Tutorial Online was crafted to cater the last, the least, and the lost, which are the low-performing students. For the conclusions, the overall performance of grade 8 students in solving linear equation word problems is low. The performance of students in solving linear equation word problems is significantly affected by all variables listed here. And for the number 3, understanding and analyzing the problem and conceptualizing the problem were encountered both high, average, and low-performing students. And misinterpretation is the common errors committed by both students. And number 5, experimentation is the strategy used by both students. And for the number 6, Matuto or Mathematics Tutorial Online is or was crafted to cater the low-performing students. And for the number 7, engagement in different linear equation word problems is an essential experience to develop students' solving ability. The ability of students in dealing with problems can be developed by constant practice. Thank you for listening. I hope that you have gained something by this research paper. Thank you so much.